And good Thursday afternoon to you from Hilton Head. We are coming to you live from the RBC Heritage Round 1. It is one of the premier tournaments in golf, and weather conditions have been pretty nice for today. It's rather breezy, lots of sunshine, just some fair weather clouds out here over the southern end of the island. Sea pines, things are just looking overall pretty nice around the region. We're going to take a look at the view over downtown Savannah and the Savannah River. Temperatures for some of our inland spots have been a few degrees cooler at the Savannah Hilton Head International Airport. We currently are looking at 89 degrees, and it's along and west of I-95 where those temperatures are a few degrees warmer. For a lot of spots, those temperatures have warmed into the lower 90s for us this afternoon. The breeze is helping conditions feel a little bit more comfortable than they would otherwise. Humidity levels are still fairly low relative to what we would expect in the summertime, but they will gradually increase over the coming days thanks to a strong southerly breeze over the next few days. But as far as those wind gusts, they have been in excess of 15 and 20 miles per hour for us at times, especially toward the coast and for some of our inland communities. Now, as far as the forecast for round 2, which tees off tomorrow morning, Friday morning, we'll have temperatures down into the 60s, climbing quickly with a mainly sunny sky. Highs on Hilton Head will top out in the 80s for most of us, upper 70s at times throughout much of the day, but those temperatures will spike during those afternoon hours. And then as we look ahead for the weekend, for the final 2 rounds, temperatures remain on the warmer side, getting into the 80s both days, but there will be an increase in cloud cover, especially for us on Sunday. There is a chance for a few spotty showers, but toward the coast, those rain chances are going to be lower than what we would expect inland. And right now, looking at maybe a 20% chance for showers for areas more inland from the interstate, so maybe about a 10% chance for us out here on Hilton Head. Now, warmer temperatures overall are in the forecast as we look ahead for the next several days, with the exception of Monday and Tuesday, with that cold front that will be moving in, bringing us those showers. Temperatures will be a few degrees cooler in the 70s for highs. The breeze will be strong, but quickly we will warm back into the 80s as the week goes on, and overall over the next 7 to 10 days, temperatures will remain well above normal. Now, as far as our satellite and radar imagery, we can see that high pressure is firmly in control at the surface. We have sinking air helping those conditions to really warm up, and a southerly flow ahead of a boundary that is trying to make its way into our area will help those humidity levels increase and just staying rather hot for us. But then as we looked out west, that's where we do have the next cold front that will be moving in for the weekend. That does bring us that potential for a few showers on Sunday. Now, as far as the rainfall forecast, most of the heavier rain will remain to our west, tapering off as that front does move toward us. Just a few light showers possible for a Sunday afternoon and into the early evening hours. Now, as far as the forecast for tonight, conditions will be on the mild side. Temperatures will be getting down into the 60s for the most part, 62 degrees for Savannah. For tomorrow afternoon, we will warm into the upper 80s to lower 90s. So definitely a hot day on the way. 93 for us here not on Hilton Head, but in Savannah. Used to saying here in Savannah, but as far as the boating forecast, we'll have a pretty decent breeze out of the south, giving us seas right around 3 feet. So not a bad day on the waterways. Just make sure you do have plenty of sunscreen for any outdoor activities, whether you're on the boat or heading out to the RBC Heritage or heading to the beach. That sun is going to be strong for us tomorrow with those hot temperatures in the 90s, and then even warmer going into Saturday. And then it's on Sunday when conditions will start to cool off with that increase in cloud cover and spotty showers moving in, and then cooler for Monday and Tuesday of next week, but then warming back up for the middle and the later part of the week. So the warm trend overall will continue for many more days here in the Coastal Empire and the Low Country. That's it for now from Hilton Head. We'll send it back to the studio and Tina Tyas-Shah.
All right, Scott, enjoy being on Hilton Head. A big honor for a local restaurant owner and chef. Stick around, everybody. What's